Hey everybody, what's going on? So I have a quick video for you guys. So we're actually exploring this old house that I just found. It's like an old little water plant or whatever. Sucks in water, filtrates it and all that for the city. It's been abandoned, it's not being used for probably years. So we're gonna explore in today's video, so let's get on with it. So we're over here in Santa Fe, Texas. And as you can see, this is the factory. All tore up, broken windows. Pretty sad. As you can see, you got your water valves and all that. Then you got all your big machinery all up in here. As you can tell, lots of machinery. As you can see, you got your high wattage right here. So this is the entrance right here. I'm gonna go ahead and go into it. So here's inside of the little water plant. As you can see, bunch of water, bunch of old pipes all out there here. Alright, you got your power supply right here. Looks like they ripped it all out. Get a little closer look. As you can see, this is where your antennas would all hook up right here. And yeah, as you can see, this is all the rest of your power plants up here. Got your breakers, got a lot of other stuff. Got your thermostat down here, and yeah. Looks like they had a rail car that ran on top of the roof up there, as you can see right there. And yeah. So check this out over here. You got your little science lab just sitting here steadily. And you got all this awesome looking structure. And here's your bathroom area. As you can see, small little bathroom, nothing really special. This looks freaking awesome, as you can see. Okay, so you got your little office over here and some ceiling fan. A bunch of the roof is falling out, as you can see. You got more breaker panels right here. Awesome. It says danger. It's been locked out, like you're gonna explode. As you look at that. And yeah, high voltage. Keep out. So what's over here? So let's look. Let me turn on my light here. Huh, what's this? Looks like a little DNA test kind of room where they put samples into the water. Huh. But yeah guys, this is basically a little water plant, so pretty excited to show you guys. Think it's pretty cool to show you. So interesting how this all works, and just such old history. I just wish people would stop leaving stuff like this behind, but I guess this is what makes it fun. You leave it behind and it just looks really historical. And yeah, let's go to the garage area over here. As you can see, you got your little garage area over here, looking awesome. So this is inside the little garage area. Not really much to look at, but you got a bunch of chains and a bunch of pulleys over here. Some old history. So yeah, this is the roof. And yeah guys, I think that's about it for this area. Alright, so we're going over to this little water tank over here where the town would have some water filled in it. Alright, so I like to record these entrances because, I don't want to get caught with breaking in and entering. So I usually record the entrances. A little tip for you explorers out there. Alright, so I'm really terrified of heights, so I don't think I'm going to be going up here. I'll let these guys go up, but as you can see all the way up there, yeah. So this is the year the water tower is built, so imagine how old all that is over there. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, let me know. Please subscribe and share the video, and I'll surely make more of these videos. So let's go ahead and get out of here because I don't want to get caught, and the cops are going to be waiting for me at my car. Just my luck.